Alright, so I thought I'd film this unit. The 2018 Goodman GSX 14 running in cool mode. Looking a little fadey, but it's fine. A little bit more faded than whenever it got installed. The line is nice and sweaty. This is outdoor temperature. GSX 14041 KD from where is it? 2018. Got them in both shots. Nice. Yep. You can sort of see up in there. There it is. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Both members. Coil will be clean. You can see through it, but to be honest with you, I think it's a little dirty. I may clean it this summer. I may clean it and include the startup and shutdown in the same video, because this thing is kind of dirty. I did a little bit of cleaning back in January, but clearly that didn't cut it.